Forget everything you know about standard analysis. The market's true pulse beats to the rhythmic machinery of the cosmos. Deep within celestial mechanics lies a hidden geometry of explosive wealth, governed by precise angular movements that dictate financial reality. We have cracked the ultimate code, the volatile, revolutionary angles of Uranus, the planet of sudden, unstoppable power bursts. When these cosmic alignments strike the price timeline, they trigger not merely a trend, but an instantaneous eruption of profit that defies conventional logic. This is the astrophysics of finance, peeling back the veil to reveal unwavering profit points with mathematical certainty. Stop chasing shadows and prepare to harness the lightning strike of ultimate opportunity. To unveil this celestial phenomenon and map the stars directly to your success, please welcome our revolutionary head coach, KT.
Friends and traders, welcome back. The power of 6 is really amazing, as you will witness. We are in the age of Aquarius, and the planet which rules that age is Uranus. What we don't see, the hidden forces of 6, how they bend the market and how they boost the market, empowering the biggest move in the financial markets. Right now, this is geometry of energy beams as unleashed by Uranus. We have placed this in a specific location. Looking at the market structure on a daily chart of SPX, we can see market was doing a pullback and then a leg up, A, B, C, and D. What we have to do when the market is going in a flag pattern or a sideways action, we need to beam these lines. We need to trap these two lines. Why these two lines? Because market is going down. If I trap these two lines, it will be very, very steep. So since it is a sideways action, this is if I mark these lines here, these are the beams of entrapment, and this is the balance point. If market is going sideways, it is rotating through the balance point. Now this is not really a point, it's an area. It's an area of consolidation sideways and drifting down, creating a flag pattern. Alright, so if I want to use out of these three forks the balance point, that should be in the center. So I'm looking to bind the center offsets right here with the most conducive compression possible by placing the lines in the last stage before the breakout. And if you see, this was the last leg and market took off. So market broke this structure. I hope you can see this very clearly. So this was all sideways consolidation. I need to beam a few lines from there. Now, one missing component is 6. You can curve it any of these lines, but for what I'm trying to show you, this tool has quite a bit of applications. One is timing, one is trending, one is projected trend lines. This is another use case where we are seeing the reflection points. So this point, this line, think about a trend line, this trend line on the top is broken. I need to know what angle is this. For that, I have this tool here, which we'll place here and find out what angle is this at the center. Alright. Now video talks about dealing with 60. In astrology, 60, 120 are deemed to be positive numbers, positive energy. And then we have 90 and 45 supposed to be reflection energy. 180 is also reflective energy. So market is coming down hard and fast and went down to 60 degrees. See this 60-degree slope, and that is what it trapped the stoppage and went out. So how are we dealing with the situation is the bottoms, if you look closely at the same tool, 150 degrees is right here. So 150 degrees is the bottom, 60 degree is the bottom, because 150 is also 6, 60 is also 6. See this hidden relationship. So what is going on here is we are binding these highs and lows through the center point, and it wings of the center point, which is right here, the wings, as I explained. And I'm trying, I don't know what the slope is going to be, because depending on the vibration itself, but I know these things are 150 aligned, and this from this point, and this one is the trend line which is holding the market down. It broke and went off. So who made the bottom? Well, this guy, 150 is 6. Who is going to make the bottom again on this side? Well, 6. Look at this, 60. So this is 60 reflecting itself from 150, and if you do the numerical calculation and digitize into single digit, 150 is also 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 0 is 6. And this is how we know this point is tied up to this point, which is not seen elsewhere. I hope this helped. Thank you so much.